Hello everyone, it's Sanab here from SERVER.PRO, and today I'll be showing you our new beta design for our site, the control panel and its features. Let's get started. Before I go any further, I'd like to mention that this design is currently in the beta test phase and that it's only for the new, more efficient VPS plans. Eventually, all of the classic plans will need to be migrated to the VPS plans. As with everything, we'd love to hear your feedback. You can do so in the comments below or join our Discord server. Now let me show you around. To access the new redesign, go to beta.server.pro. Here on the main page, you'll be able to see the services we offer hosting for. Further down, you'll see an overview of the features that we offer. When you're ready, you can make an account with your email or any of the options shown here. Once you've made an account and logged in, you'll see your server list here. If you've already made an existing server, you can migrate it to the new VPS plans by pressing the Migrate button here. Please note that this change is not reversible. Of course, if you don't have a server, you can create one by pressing the Create Server button in the top right. Now select the options that you like. If you're not sure, you can compare plans or ask our support team. Once you've made a server, you'll be able to access the control panel. From the control panel, I'm going to create a game server service quickly. You can do this by clicking here or by pressing the Create Service button near the top right. Select the service that you want and whatever options that you would like. The display name could be anything. And there we go, I've made a Minecraft game server. If you want, you can even make multiple game servers within one VPS plan, as long as it has enough resources to run. If you need to upgrade or downgrade your plan, you can do so by going to Change Plan near the bottom here. Upgrades are instant, but downgrades require a server reset. When selecting a different plan option, more info will be shown to you to inform you of the changes. You can also change the location of your machine from the Change Location tab. We have a new tab for metrics. Here you will see live resource usage as well as other options here in the top right. You of course have full file access via the Shell tab or the Files Manager. The Files Manager exists for each service. You can drag and drop files to upload them. You can access and edit files as well as rename and delete them all within the File Manager. Next, we have the scheduler. Again, this is available for the whole VPS or within each service. Keep in mind that not all services have the schedule feature, such as MySQL. Let's create a new service that runs a Minecraft command telling all players it's 2 p.m. on Monday in the server's time zone. First, let's name your service. Then select the day on which it will run. Then select the hour and minute. Finally, add the command that the server will run. And that's it. We just made a schedule which runs a Minecraft command on 2 p.m. every Monday. The gaming plans have access to the Firewall tab where you can add or remove rules as you wish. So if you're setting up a geyser or bungee cord, you can play around with the ports here. The hosting plans do not have access to this. Next, you have automatic or manual backups. Each backup is accessible via the Browse button. From here, you can download or restore any file you wish. Or you could simply restore from a whole server backup. If you'd like to share access with another user, you could do so via the Share Access tab. Simply add them here by using their SERVER.PRO email. You can either share access to the whole VPS or just each service, as well as the type of access. Each service has their own features and tabs shown here. Everything that existed on the classic plans should be here too, and more. If you see something missing or have a suggestion, let us know. Again, this is just a beta test and can only be accessed if you have a VPS plan. Apart from that, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.